Majoni, you're a chef. Let's cook our own crap and eat our own crap, my friend said. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, there is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be doing something totally different. I came home early from work and I decided that I am going to be grilling chicken. I'm going to be grilling chicken using a microwave. I know, who on earth does that? I have a microwave and it has the functionality of a grill, and I decided today is the day to decide and use it, because if it doesn't work out, at least I still have time to prepare the chicken. Let me show you the chicken, because in some other videos someone commented that I say things and I don't show. Here are the receipts, baby girl. So my chicken is already marinated, as you can see, and I am about to do the microwave thing. So let's try this, guys. If you hear my house is on fire, just know this is the cause of the fire. Me trying to grill chicken with a microwave grill. Okay, let's do this. Because I was not very sure of how to use it, I decided to look for the manual. Guys, I keep the manuals of all my electronics together. They have a file, like it's called a manual file. So if I need any manual for anything in the house, that's why I go. So this is my manual, and I went directly to where it says grill cooking. This is what it says. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll take a picture and insert here. It reads, supposing you want to grill for 40 minutes, steps: number 1, touch the grill pad; number 2, touch number pad 10 minutes 4 times; number 3, touch start pad, and that's it. And then they wrote a note: the longest cooking time is 99 minutes and 99 seconds. So yeah, that's it. And I also see there's something called combination cooking. The combination cooking is combination 1, 30% time of the microwave cooking, 70% time of the grill cooking. Combination number 2 is 55% time of microwave cooking and 45% time of grill cooking. Suppose you want to set the oven, it's now an oven, from a microwave to an oven. Okay, suppose you want to set the oven to combination 2 for 25 minutes. Steps: step 1, touch the combi pad 2 pad. Step 2, touch number pad 10 minutes twice and 1 minute 5 times, that's 25, and then touch start pad. The longest cooking time is 99 minutes and 99 seconds. I think the note is like on every cooking procedure you're going to use when you're using the microwave. So we are about to try that. I don't know how it's going to go, but fingers crossed. Let's cook our own crap and eat our own crap, my friend said. Something else I forgot to mention before we start this video real quick. The microwave comes with this thing. So this is the grilling part that we are going to use. So I'm going to be placing my chicken onto this part and then put it in the microwave, and below where the water is going to drain is going to be draining on the glass plate that's normally usually inside a microwave. So this is my guide that I'm going to be using. Let me just open that page. Okay, actually, let me just show you. This is the grill cooking part and the combination cooking part. So I'm going to use the grill cooking part only, and this is the Ramtoms that I am using. It's a microwave plus a grill. It's the Ramtoms RM240. Here's my marinated chicken. So I am going to be placing the chicken on top here before I put it into the microwave. So I decided to add the ring light. It just brings some brightness to me, of course, and the whole thing. So the microwave is already on. It is at 38 minutes, and guys, let's cross our fingers this works. It has already started smelling like grilled chicken, so let's hope for the best. So we are currently at 23. Oh my god. Okay, so we are currently at 23 minutes and things are looking good in there. So we are at 15 minutes. I am so tempted to open and just flip over the way you'd normally do in an oven, and I'm just confused. Let me do it on camera so that if anything goes wrong, you guys know what exactly happened. Okay, so I am pressing the cancel. Oh my god, we are about to see what's going on. Oh my god, it's so hot, dang it. I don't know if I open. Oh, everything is so hot. I'm so confused. I have a lot of emotions running in me right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's happening. Let me just show you. It's grilling. So what I'm going to do, I am going to flip it over on the other side. After I changed, I flipped the side. It is cooked, but I don't believe this side is well done. So I'm going to repeat the same process for like 40 minutes again and see what I have. I put all the pieces of chicken, because it's a whole chicken. I put it in there for 30 minutes and then I'll take it out and show you guys how it looks like. Yay! You guys! Can you see how dazzling that looks? So I'm going to take the whole thing out. Excuse if you see my microphone, and I'm just going to try to be very careful. Please, I do not have my oven gloves with me, so I'm just going to try and be careful and use my fingers to get it out. I'd advise you hold this bit because it's rubber and it's not going to burn you. So if you hold this, it's the metal, it's hot, so be careful. Can you see this? Oh my goodness. I mean, it's a little bit burnt, but it's alright. The oven is a little bit hot, so you want to make sure you cancel the whole process and probably switch it off for it to cool down, because you can't really touch here. The glass, either the glass or here, it's still very, very hot, so I'm going to switch that off to let it cool. Can you believe I did this with a microwave? I am so happy. Hey, today I'm going to feast on this like no one's business. I would like to try this part because it's the thickest. It's probably the breast, so I just want to know if it's well done inside. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Is the camera focusing? Oh, I'm shaky, I'm shaky, I'm shaky. Okay, let's do like we're doing makeup. Look at that. Well done. This as well, I'd like to cut this part, so let me just leave it here so that we can taste if it's well done or not. Nice. Oh wow, I don't know if the camera is picking that up. That's so nice. Oh yes, I slaughtered it into two. This is good. This I love. You guys see? Yummy. So guys, here we go. That's my cooked that's my grilled chicken in the microwave. I'm so proud that it actually worked because I forgot. It actually cooled down really fast, so that's a good thing. Nice microwave. The chicken is so nice. It's in my mouth. The flavor is in my mouth. I can't just stop to think and say something. What am I saying? The chicken is slapping. That is it for today's video. Thank you for staying with me. If you are here until this point of the video, I really love you and adore you, and I'm very grateful that you are actually here. Grilled chicken in the microwave, very nice. If you give it a try, please let me know. Tag me, follow me. You guys, by the way, follow me on all my social media as happinessmajoni. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. I'll really appreciate it. It's free. Yes, it's free. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye. I gotta eat this chicken. It's slapping. Okay, where's my wine? My wine is somewhere. I don't know where. But I have to take it this chicken. This is good. Majoni. Majoni, you're a chef. I'm going to be having Prosecco Martini. About to go down. Doom, doom, doom. Hey. Let me dance for the chicken so that when it gets to my belly, it goes with everything, you know? It gets what's happening, what's going on. Like, do you have the quorum?